Stay back, Mia.
Lina! Tony!
Mia, stop!
Now everyone will remember this.
Mia, why did you do this?
Mia, the pot is too hot!
I'm not finished yet.
Introducing the bride, Lina, and the groom, Tony.
Clap your hands, Mia. They don't look happy.
Bride Lina and groom Tony extend their most heartfelt thanks to all the guests today.
Lina looks so happy tonight. She looks like she wants attention. Respectful people are boring to watch.
Everyone raise their glasses to toast the happiness of the bride Lina and the groom Tony.
I'll create a fun atmosphere.
Mia, where are you going? Somebody needs to wake this room up.
Please be respectful at her wedding.
What's going on?
He doesn't know what happened either.
Welcome, everyone. We are so glad you could make it tonight to celebrate this amazing couple with us. Let's get the party started.
Mia is starting to cause trouble again.
Relax. I am improving the party.
With everyone's permission, the beautiful girl in the red dress would like to offer a few words of congratulations to the bride and groom.
That's really annoying. I'm afraid Mia will cause trouble here.
I will protect you.
No. Your speech is painfully dull. Mia, this is Lina's moment. Then Lina should make it interesting.
What did I do? Why is she treating me so badly?
Don't cry, my love. I'm here for you.
Thank you, Tony.
Everyone looks too serious tonight.
Mia, please do not ruin this. Do you know what it means to pay the price?
Give the microphone back, please. Stop acting like the wedding police. Oh no!
This is so embarrassing. What should I do now?
She needed a memorable wedding.
Excuse me, ma'am. Please take your seat so the party can begin.
Are you allowed to speak up here?
I will protect our wedding.
Thank you. I love you so much. Mia, let them have their toast.
A toast should look exciting.
I'll start the party with this bottle of wine.
Put the bottle down carefully.
Move. You are blocking the fun. Mia, my dress. Now it has personality.
It's okay, don't cry. We'll change into a new dress. The party will be fine.
I plan to keep this dress for our wedding anniversary 10 years from now. Lina, breathe slowly. I will help. Is there anyone else who wants to enjoy some wine?
You hurt your own sister.
She should thank me for attention.
Give everything back now.
You are not in charge of me. He should watch his balance. Please give him room.
You were taking boring photos.
Stop taking pictures of us!
These are the real memories. Stop, Mia. Give the camera back now. Not until I get the perfect shot. Are you okay? Mia, leave the guests alone. They look too comfortable.
What is she planning to do?
I'm gonna treat everyone to hot pot.
Please step away from the table.
Why? Is your soup precious? Delicious, isn't it? Mia, that is dangerous. Then everyone should move faster.
No! Why would she do that?
I am so sorry. Are there any other fun things to do?
What are you doing, Mia?
Mia is such a hateful person. Why did she ruin our wedding?
Are you okay, Uncle?
I am in great pain.
You could have hurt him badly. He will survive dinner. That host is so boring. Get off the stage.
Stage, Mia.
No. The show is not over.
It's okay, Lina. I'll help you.
Everything is ruined. You are still the bride tonight.
I am sorry.
Nobody wants to watch me sing?
Lina, come inside with me now. I cannot face everyone like this.
We will come back together.
I will help you both.
We will fix the dress and makeup. I will keep Mia away from them.
I hate those guys. I'm gonna destroy everything. This wedding was dead before I saved it. You did not save anything, Mia.
Miss, please leave the restaurant.
Do not touch me. She got everything because everyone spoiled her.
You are leaving this wedding now.
You cannot throw me out!
Mia has always been hot-tempered, and she refuses to change. Rest assured, I will always be by your side.
I love you. Smile brightly.
Congratulations to the bride and groom. May you have a lifetime of happiness.